With an increasing number of people turning to online shopping services, now is the ideal time for businesses to embrace and capitalize on this strategy. Welcome to our channel eCommerce Know-How, and in this video, we'll see the types of e-commerce marketing. Number 1. Content marketing. There's a reason why content is referred to as king. When you think of content marketing, what is the first thing that comes to mind? For the vast majority of marketers, it is blogging and video marketing. These are two powerful tools that can boost your website's search engine ranking and increase your audience's trust in your brand. You publish articles, blogs, videos, infographics, statistics, and other informative content on your website and invite visitors to read it. Your readers read one of the blogs and are persuaded to buy the product you're selling. They visit your landing page and immediately make a purchase. That was the most straightforward way to explain how it works. In reality, the process is extremely complex. However, if used correctly, content marketing can work wonders for nearly any type and size of business. You can incorporate content marketing into your e-commerce marketing strategy in a variety of ways. For example, if you're new to e-commerce, start with blogging. When you start a blog, you establish yourself as an industry leader. The higher you rank in the search engines, the more visitors your website will be able to attract. Number 2. Influencer marketing. People don't purchase goods and services. They purchase relationships, stories, and magic. Seth Godin. Influencers have a large fan base and a high rate of engagement. That is why, in order to sell products to their target audience, a growing number of brands are collaborating with influencers. Believe it or not, 49% of consumers rely on influencer recommendations. TikTok, a well-known platform, established a $1 billion creator fund to support influencers. Celebrities charge a high commission fee for featuring your brand on their social media accounts and creating a video promoting your services, but the results are excellent. Women, adults, and teenagers are all fans of the strategy. People are more likely to be persuaded by a celebrity's post or story. Consider hiring micro-influencers if you have a limited budget. They have a reasonable number of followers and a high rate of engagement. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Did you know that affiliate marketing is used by 80% of brands to generate qualified leads? Affiliates are individuals who promote your products and services in exchange for a commission. They earn a small percentage of the sales commission for each product they sell. Affiliate marketing is similar to assembling your own marketing team without paying them unless your leads are converted into customers. The best part is that affiliates are interested in doing business with you because they will receive a portion of the sales revenue. The higher the commission they earn, the more they sell. This marketing strategy is always effective. Your affiliates may sell your products through their social media accounts, websites, blogging sites, YouTube channels, and other digital platforms. They use traditional marketing strategies, as well as nearly every marketing channel, to increase your sales. Number 4. SEO and SEM. If you need results quickly, search engine marketing is the way to go. Organic traffic is brought to your website by search engine optimization, SEO. It is free, but you must devote time to creating a perfect SEO-optimized page that ranks on the first page of search results. Paid advertising is used in search engine marketing, SEM. It is a pay-per-click PPC advertising model in which your ads appear when a customer types your brand's relevant keywords into the search bar. You can monitor the effectiveness of your ads and adjust your budget for each ad campaign accordingly. Number 5. Social media marketing. Social media is the most cost-effective and efficient way to connect with your audience and increase their engagement. You can interact with them by providing them with informative and engaging content. Post reels, photos of your brand, videos, customer reviews, giveaways, and other contests. These are a few ideas for engaging your audience on social media. Instagram is primarily used for online retail marketing. You can post high-quality images of your products alongside descriptions, expanding your e-commerce business beyond the product page. Another trend in the social media marketing industry is shoppable content. It enables you to sell your products to visitors through your Instagram shop. To market your e-commerce business, use Facebook, Snapchat, Pinterest, and other social networking sites. It is the simplest way to reach your target audience and keep them interested in your brand. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Which of these marketing techniques do you find logical? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.